Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, north-central Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Flint, Ryle, Arlington, Waukegan, Bluffview, Otsego, Merrimack, Doylestown, Harmony Grove, Hockey and Interstate 90/94 interchange. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3 p.m. At 2:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Johnson Creek, Deer Lake Mills, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Watertown, Heartland, Jefferson, Delafield, Lake Mills, Waukegan Lake, Oconomowoc, Johnson Creek, Lac La Belle, Hudsonia, Ashevin, Nashotah, Milford, Oconomowoc Lake, Chenequa, Mapleton, Stone Bank, North Lake, Pipersville, and Monterey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.